Alrighty, this is the motor. Got a new alternator for it, a bunch of other new parts and put in. Decent price. Got a new bumper, which is really nice. I think my van's open. Check it out. And my van's not open. So, let me see if I can take out the keys. Nope. I gotta turn her off. Alright. I got a Z26 body kit. Very nice. Very nice. Front and back bumper. It's gonna look very different from that. Very, very different. That's it. Z26 front and back bumpers. And I got the dam there. That's just about it for now. I gotta order the wing and the hood. Alrighty.